Can you feel it? That heavy silence first thing in the morning. The soft buzz of an alarm ignored. The weight of the blanket like it's holding you down. Meet Ada, 24 years old, stuck between dreams and delay. She had plans once, goals, a list of things she wanted to do, someday. But someday never came. Week 1, she missed a job interview because she stayed in bed. Week 2, she promised to help her sister move but didn't show up. Week 3, her friends stopped inviting her out. Week 4, she looked at her reflection and whispered, "What's wrong with me?" Her room was full of books she bought but never read. Her phone lit up with messages she never replied to. And every night, she told herself, "I'll start tomorrow." But tomorrow kept running ahead. Then came the moment. A friend showed her a quote. "Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you going." Ada scoffed. "I've heard all this before." But something hit differently today. So she tried something new. Not grand, not heroic, just consistent. Day 1. She got out of bed, no shower, no breakfast, but she got up. Day 2. She made her bed. Day 3. She opened a book, read 1 page. Day 4. She sent 1 text, reconnected with someone she'd ghosted. Each day felt like pushing a boulder uphill, but slowly the boulder began rolling on its own. She found a routine that worked not perfectly, but steadily. Morning walks, afternoon work, evening journaling, and soon, people noticed. Her sister said, "You actually showed up." Her boss asked, "Did you get a new coach?" An old friend messaged, "How did you turn things around?" Ada smiled. "I didn't turn them around. I just stopped waiting to feel ready and started moving anyway." You don't rise by waiting. You rise by taking the next step even if it's slow. Let's take a quick snapshot. Before. Ada unmotivated, hiding potential under excuses. After. Ada grounded, growing, inspiring others without trying. She didn't become superhuman. She became intentional. Now, she teaches others how to beat procrastination not with force, but with focus. So ask yourself, what are you avoiding because you're waiting to feel inspired? What could change if you chose consistency over comfort? Tell us or write it down today. We'd love to cheer you on, because sometimes the battle against laziness isn't loud or dramatic. It's fought in the quiet moments when you choose to move, even when you don't want to.